I'm not a fan of cluttered remote controls, but I think this could do with a few more buttons on it. You've got everything you need by using the app on the mobile phone, but that's providing you can get it to work in the first place. It took me 2 to 3 hours. It just would not connect, would not download, wouldn't recognize it. Eventually I gave up and tried the next day, and then I discovered in the instructions that you've got to download Google Home app, which I've never heard of, which enables you to connect easily with Bluetooth. Having done that, yes, it did work, but the app's a bit of a nightmare if you don't know what you're doing, and I certainly don't. Here is the complete manual on the app. It's no good if you can't download the app in the first place, though.
That looks like you'll need to wake him up.
Subject 227 out of service.
Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelt now.
Control on my side. Control on us.
Center, this is Subject 227. We lost our hydraulic. It's like our pitch control.
Subject 227. Lost the back office is pitch control.
That is uncontrolled. Lost vertical control. We're gonna need drag. I want you to throw out everything you got. The speed brakes, the gear, everything.
Here, speed brake.
Subject 227.
Drop the flash, drop the flash. Just do it. Do it 30 degrees. 315. We'll try our best. Alright, that water's a little tight. That water's a little tight. Now we gotta revert to manual control. This side first.
Okay, got it. Nothing, no control. Oh no, we're diving again.
Alright, okay. Go on my side. See, you reach my side.
Return reaches up.
Stay strapped in, stay strapped in. Margaret! Margaret!
15,000.
It is a great bit of kit and built well, very solid, great sound, lots of volume. I paid just under 800 euros, but I've seen it online for 1600, which I think is far too much to spend on this bit of kit. I'm moving house and I'm going to use it in my new home cinema now. I'm fed up with putting amplifiers in and speakers and cables everywhere, so with this Wi-Fi it's great, so I highly recommend it. The box is enormous and it weighs a ton, but enjoy.